everyone, how are you? Okay, I'm Ekta Kapoor. This is new video for your tenses especially. Okay, your 4 tenses have been completed. Means present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Now your past tense means your past indefinite tenses here means simple past. Simple past, it's very important tense because it relates with your incidents which happened in the past. Okay, but before some days earlier I explained that in present perfect and present perfect continuous the different identifications you have been gone through, but this is new information for you for simple past, that is the actions, the incidents, the events, what happened, occurred in the past at particular time, but not started and till are continuing. Means the incidents which have been completed in past, okay, that is related to your simple past. Means it can be related your yesterday, okay, the time, yesterday, last month, last week, last day, okay, last night, as soon as, and now these are the rule schemes of simple past. Means first subject, verb second and object. This rule scheme you have to follow in simple sentences, okay, or affirmative sentences. Means at first you have to use subject, then verb second form, at last object. Verb second form, there are 2 types of main verbs. Okay, the first is regular verbs and the second one is irregular verbs. Regular verbs are those in which you have to add d, ed or ied. Okay, and irregular verbs, in irregular verbs you do not add d, ed and ied, right? For example, first sentence, I wrote a letter to my father. This is simple sentence, okay? Simple. Means you have to relate this sentence with past occurrences, right, which happened at a specific time, okay, not these are repeating or these are continuing in present time. Once if those did, okay, once if those happened in the past, okay, it won't be repeated and continuing in the present. Next, I did not, or you can take contraction form, okay, didn't. I did not take my dinner at 8 o'clock yesterday. Means now I am talking about the previous day, okay, at which time, at what time, okay, at what time did you take your dinner? The answer is no. I didn't take my dinner at 8 o'clock yesterday, but I took my dinner at 8:30 yesterday. Now next, in integrative first method, you have to start your auxiliary helping verb. Okay, did you meet my best friend on last Sunday? Okay, the fixed time, fixed time. Why did you create a problem for him? Then WH word, in second method you have to use WH words, okay. Then helping verb means only did. What is only did? Instead of did, there is nothing to add as auxiliary form. Only did you have to add with all the subjects, okay, whether singular numbers or plural numbers. With all you have to add did, but not in simple sentences as helping verb. Okay, did you can take as action verb also, but I am talking here about only auxiliary form, auxiliary verb. Okay, you have to take only one auxiliary in, not in simple sentences but in all 3. Means negative, okay, Integrative first method and integrative second method. It means now you got verb second form you have to use in past indefinite, okay, simple past in simple sentences. In negative you have to use didn't or did not. Integrative first method you have to start your sentences with did, means at the beginning of the sentence did, okay, then subject, then first form, then object. The main thing, the main difference between simple and all these sentence is verb second to verb first. Means verb second you have to use it only in simple sentences, simple past, okay, and verb first in three sentences, means negative, okay, interrogative first and interrogative second. In all these three type of sentences you have to add did, okay. Now these are the sentences. For example, okay, in your stories, you read many stories, you read many novels, okay, you may have heard about stories, what you heard, what you wrote, and what are you writing in those stories, okay. Your simple past is obviously used, okay. You know what happened yesterday? When I woke up, suddenly I heard a knocking sound at my door, okay. After listening the knocking sound at my door, I woke up, I hurried towards my door. As soon as I opened the door, yesterday, I'm talking about yesterday, as soon as I opened the door, I saw a glimpse of a small pet, okay, who was lying at the doorstep of mine. After seeing that pitiable pet, okay, the condition was very miserable. When I saw, suddenly I decided to take that pet to the veterinary doctor. I went to veterinary doctor, okay. After reaching veterinary doctor, he suggested some treatment because that pet got some injuries. After getting that particular treatment, that small dog got good recoveries. Means this is very short example what I have described here. And in these sentences, okay, the event, not the incident, okay, the incident happened yesterday with me, okay. The condition of pet means all the sentences related with simple past. It means it's very easy to convey your sentences and your thought in past indefinite when you are talking about your past occurrences, okay. Now I think you got all these in these type of patterns. Okay, thank you.